Hey ladies and gentlemen, how are you? My name is Alan with the Contractor License School, and today I want to give you some information on the Contractor License online prep course for the welding contractor, also known as the C60 licensed contractor. And I wanted to share with you 5 different things that I think are going to help you out. And the first one is this, your online options. So we have 2 online options. One is our Homeschool Program, and the other one is our LiveStream program. The Homeschool Program's for that student that says, hey, just give me my materials, let me go at my own pace. Here's access to the online program. Go to town. We're also going to help you fill out the application and all those other steps. So that's a great option. Now the other one is for the student who says, you know what? I really like that classroom experience. I like that classroom vibe. I want to catch into that. I want to be able to talk to a teacher. Well, we broadcast live all of our classes in Southern California, and that way you can talk to the teachers. They can respond back. The other students can help. You're in a collaboration format with all the other students and the teacher, which is really conducive for great and amazing learning. We want to make sure that you're taken care of through that process, okay? So those are our 2 online programs. Of course, if you're close enough, come on out to one of our schools and we'll help you get taken care of, right? Now, that leads me to our second part, which is our materials. So we have this beautiful, wonderful bag, and I know that the whole course is worth it just to get this bag. Our tagline is this, our passion is your success. But I really want to show you what's in the bag, because that is what is going to train you to pass the state exam. And of course, that's our material and equipment. So are you ready for the big reveal? Here it comes. Here it comes. Ah, there it is. All right, so we're going to provide you with the CDs and the audio for the trade and the law and business. We're also going to be providing you with the video access or the trade DVDs for both the law and business and the trade material. You could follow along in your books, watch those, or listen to those. They're going to really help you out. But here's what I'm exceptionally excited about, and that is this, our curriculum. So here you see our welding trade book, and here you see our law and business manual, which is going to walk you through everything. And the reason why I'm excited about this, because many years ago when I got my contractor's license, I walked out of there and I thought, you know, I was glad I passed, but I didn't really feel the material was as helpful as I thought it could be. I walked out of there thinking, if I ever start a school, I'm going to rewrite this curriculum. Well, that one day came. I took my experience as an elementary school principal and an educator and as a successful contractor. I combined that, rewrote the curriculum, because I wanted to find the best possible solutions and the best possible curriculum that helps people actually pass their test. So honestly, I believe our curriculum is the best curriculum in the entire state of California. So go through this curriculum. You're gonna go through that. It's gonna train you, equip you, and prepare you to pass that exam the first try. And that actually leads me to the second component of our materials, which is actually our online program. That's the third thing I want to talk about. And what that is you go to our website. At the top right corner, you're going to end up going to the login. You click on that, you're going to have full access into that back end channel of our website, where you get access to videos, you can take quizzes, you can take our state simulated test designed to be just like the state exam, pass those, and you're going to pass the exam first try. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, that leads me to the 4th thing I wanted to talk to you about, our promise. It's 2 parts. One, the first part is this. You will pass the state exam first try. We have a pass test guarantee. Just pass our test, study our material, you'll be good. The second thing is this. I want to make sure that you know that this program is seamless and simple. What do I mean by that? Well, I don't want you to have to lose sleep or even worry about the application, the bonds, the insurances, the certificate of work experience, and all those little details that need to be done in getting your license. Hey, that's what we do. We're professionals. We take care of that. We're going to walk you through those steps so you don't have to think about it. That's why you came to our program. I really want you to focus on basically 2 things: studying our material, passing our tests. We're going to collaborate and work together to get the rest done. And finally, that leads to the 5th thing I wanted to talk about, and that is our service. Hey, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I know what it's like to grow a business. I know what it's like to try to launch a new business. Now, as you go here and you get your contractor's license and you get ready to launch that business, we're going to walk you through those steps. We're going to help you get that license. But I want you to know that we desire to be a long-term resource for you. What does that mean? Maybe you're you're out there and you haven't leveled up yet and you want to know how, or you need advice on web design or internet marketing or maybe bookkeeping or anything like that, you're out there and you just want to grow and expand, hey, you can give us a call. You know, we'll work out a win-win, something we could do for you, we'll get it done. I was recently just helping one of the clients in one of our schools in Corona, California. He wanted to bid, he put a bid out on a $10 million project and landed it. Isn't that awesome? So those kinds of things we can help you with. I don't want you to ever feel that you're just out there alone. Hey, when you're done with our school, you're not done with us, all right? So that's a big part of our service. And so I just want to let you know, ladies and gentlemen, that of course, we're here to help you. And my name is Alan, and this has been a discussion on the Contractor License online prep course for the welding contractor, also known as the C60 licensed contractor. You can get more information, and don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, go check out the information down in our description. We have a step-by-step that'll show you how to get a contractor's license. It's all down there for you, ladies and gentlemen. Again, our website, contractorlicenseschool.com. My name has been Alan, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Before you go, punch that subscribe button. Don't forget, if you want information on how to get your contractor's license, go down to the description below. We have all kinds of great resources and information there, and we look forward to helping you out. So again, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.